Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is on rules for transformation of sentences for ICSE and ISC board. This question comes under question 3A part of your English language paper. Each sentence is followed by a specific instruction and the students have to rewrite the sentences without changing the meaning, and whatever the instruction is given in that question you have to write accordingly. Now what happens in this question is many students are perplexed how to write the sentence. Sometimes they get a zero. I'll tell you the reason why. What happens is you change the meaning. You have to change only the grammatical form, not the meaning. In this video, I'll cover 10 rules so that you can write your answers perfectly, and I assure after watching this video, if you follow my rules, you'll definitely get full marks in this part. We will be starting with rule 1. Only slash alone slash merrily replaced by none but with a person, nothing but with a thing, more than or not less than with a number. Let's take an example. Affirmative sentence, only Mohan can help us. If we convert it into a negative sentence, or the question may be asked to start the answer with none or end it with help us, none but Mohan can help us. Now, the second example, affirmative, he has only few rupees. And if you convert it into negative sentence, he has not more than few rupees. Rule number 2, must replaced by cannot but slash cannot help plus verb plus ing. Affirmative sentence, we must obey our teachers. Now the negative sentence for this is we cannot help obeying our teachers. Rule 3, both and replaced by not only but also. Both Rishi and Rohan were happy. They may ask you to start the answer with not only. Not only Rishi but Rohan was also happy. Rule 4, and if joined two words, replaced by not only but also. Affirmative, he was smart and gentle. Now you have to insert not only but also, so the answer will be he was not only smart but also gentle. Rule number 5, as soon as, no sooner than, hardly had, up to when. So you get such questions in your board examination. As soon as the bell rang, the workers entered the factory. No sooner did the bell ring than the workers entered the factory. Hardly had the bell rung when the workers entered the factory. So these are all the forms: as soon as, no sooner, hardly had. Moving on to rule number 6, interchange of degrees of comparison of adjectives. For positive, you have to include as, rich as, weak as, and all such adjectives with as. Few men in the world are as rich as Bill Gates. Comparative, you have to insert than. Bill Gates is richer than most men in the world. Superlative, Bill Gates is one of the richest men in the world. Rule number 7, to, so that. He is so tall that he cannot stand straight in the bus. He is too tall to stand straight in the bus. That is how you replace so that with to. Moving on from assertive to interrogative. He was very cruel. Wasn't he very cruel? Question mark. One cannot breathe without air. Can one breathe without air? So whenever you get such sentences, such assertive sentence, you have to convert it into interrogative by this method. For example, normally when you translate this in Hindi, like वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा cruel है. क्या वो बहुत ज़्यादा cruel नहीं है? So that is what you do. In Hindi also, you question कि ये बहुत cruel नहीं है. Same is the case with English. He was very cruel. Wasn't he very cruel? Question mark. Rule number 9. If, unless, if he does not run fast, comma, he will lose the race. Unless he runs fast, comma, he will lose the race. And make sure to insert the commas wherever necessary. In spite of is replaced with despite. Do not write despite of. In spite of his ill health, comma, he did well in the examination. Despite his ill health, comma, he did well in examination. So these were all the 10 rules, and you must also practice active and passive voice. Thank you for watching the video. I have also attached some videos in the description box that is related to English language, like proposal writing, directed writing, comprehension, composition, phrasal verbs. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.